We will see how to use MakeFlux to choose the best diameter according to the requested flow. In the regular head loss tab, we use the function determine the best diameter according to the flow rate. This opens the pipe sizing help interface. What is this interface made of? We have, at the top, on the left, a list of commercial pipes, where we can choose our pipes. There are polyethylene pipes, classic galvanized air ducts, and the basic nominal diameters. We have chosen the basic nominal diameter series. We have diameters ranging from 9 to 5 up to 1193 millimeters, for example. We choose the fluid we want to transport. In this case, we will use water at 10 degrees. Step 2, we are going to enter the flow rate requested from the specifications, for example, and we launch the Find the Diameter function. We deactivate the sedimentation alert. We are looking for the diameter. The software performs a search on each of the diameters to determine the linear pressure drop. Here, we have a pressure drop in millimeters of fluid column per meter. Very high for the diameter of 9.5, and very low for a diameter, for example, of 600 millimeters. We could therefore have a very low pressure drop, but the diameter would be very large, thus incurring a very high installation price. We can also choose a small diameter, but because of the speed of the fluid, we would have high pressure drops, and therefore costs in consumption, and quite significant pumping costs. It is accepted that a good compromise is a pressure drop of between 10 and 20 millimeters. Here, we have detected a diameter that gives us a head loss of 18.65 meter column per meter. So it is selected as an interesting diameter. If we select this line, and this diameter, and return to the Pressure Drops tab, we see that the pipe diameter has been updated to the selected diameter.